Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it's another unboxing of beauty products from Derma E. Thank you Derma E for gifting me another skincare. And, ay, Diyos ko. Alam nyo ba, last week I struggled from a breakout, and I think because of trying different products every time, like every single day, different product, then I break out. Super bad that I regret doing that. So I was like, how my skin will be better again. So I stopped posting skincare in my story for a while and just stick to my usual routine, which is using Derma E products for a whole week and then using Pixie product for the whole week, and my skin got better. Super, like 100% got better. I'm excited. When I saw this, I was like, what? I'm not complaining though, because this is a blessing, you guys. Because I don't have to buy products anymore. And then yung extra money ko, I can just use it for my daughter. Whatever she wants to eat, whatever she wants to wear, you know, yung pera, napupunta na lang sa kanila. And so happy that my baking business is getting better, doing great, and nakakapagpadala na ako paunti-unti sa grandma ko in the Philippines, which I'm super thankful because I feel so bad when I stopped working at the hospital. That's when the time I stopped sending money to them, and sobrang hirap ng buhay sa Pilipinas. So yeah, by getting this free stuff, I'm super thankful and grateful because yun nga, I love beauty products, I love skincare, but yun nga, hindi ko nabibilin. I can save my money or I can give my money to my family and my daughter. So, thank you, Derma E. Oh my God, I'm so emotional because it's TMI, you guys. It's my first day today of my, you know, dalagang Pilipina, yeah. And sobrang emotional ako, sobrang mainitin ulo ko, and yan. Bigyan niyo lang ng 5 days and I'll be okay again. So yeah, here is the box. Looks like OMG. Guys, i-insert ko dito yung banyo mamaya kalaje, because that's my first ever Derma E products that I purchased with my own money. I bought it at Ulta Lakewood Mall, and I keep putting water there because ang konti na lang na laman. So, whenever I have a favorite and medyo, you know, paubos na siya, I put water and shake it and use it again. I feel like nakakaano pa, meron pa yun eh, diba? Tira-tira. So, when I saw this card, when I received it, oh my gosh, that's my favorite cleanser ever. This is the Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Cleanser. No joke, you guys. This product is amazing. Woo! And when I saw this, I have a new bottle. So, I can throw that away. Yun nga, alam nyo ba, yung packaging nun, it's the old one. You can't even see what's inside. So, this is the new one. It's a clear na yung bottle. So, I can let that go. Pero, ubusin ko pa rin bago ko gamitin to. This has vitamin A and glycolic acid, anti-wrinkle cleanser. And, sobrang obsessed ako sa mga anti-wrinkle products. Sobrang, ano ko sila. Gustong-gusto ko yun. Feeling ko, I needed it. And it works really good. So, it says here, gentle, exfoliating, sulfate-free formula washes away makeup and impurities. Talaga, sobrang favorite. Vitamin A, glycolic acid, and papaya help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and rough skin texture for a fresh, smooth complexion. This helps me a lot, especially during my breakout week. Dito, grabe yung bumps ko dyan last week. Now, it's not clear. Kasi hindi naman na magka-clear yan. Meron ako syempre mga imperfection. But, nawala yung mga big bumps na sobrang irita ako. Like, and I feel like this is the one that helped me. Thank you! So, next product in the box is the Derma E Vitamin C Renewing Moisturizer. Lightweight formula. Helps support collagen. Ooh! Uneven skin tone, fine lines and wrinkles, while boosting skin hydration. Contains probiotic and rubiose to protect skin from pollutant and impurities. Hi. I will bring this to Jay's house, and ito na lang yung skincare ko doon para hindi ako... Kasi whenever I move there, nakakalimutan ko na yung skincare ko dito, so I end up not doing skincare there at all. So at least ito, it's a complete package where I can just leave it there para pag doon kami, nakakapag-skincare pa rin ako without worrying, oh, nakalimutan, blah, blah, blah. So, next is the Overnight Peel, a potent yet gentle overnight treatment containing a 5% blend of alpha hydroxy acid or AHA that exfoliates skin dulling impurities while you sleep. This creates a smooth texture and reduces the appearance of uneven tone and discoloration for a vibrant complexion. Sounds amazing. I feel like this box, they put all the best of the best ng line nila. Because parang isang box, okay ka na eh. Yun na yun. Itong 4 na to, that's it. You're good. And lastly, in the box is the Anti-Wrinkle Eye Cream. Nutrient-rich formula helps visibly smooth, refine, and renew skin around the delicate eye area, which I'm super concerned about, especially this one. Oh my god, my wrinkle there is so bad. Prevent fine lines and crow's feet. Vitamin E and green tea antioxidant defends skin from free radical damage, while avocado, sesame, and sunflower oil deeply moisturize and recondition the eye area. Here we are in the mid-spring, and what better time to get your skin smooth and bright for the season. Spend time focusing on exfoliation and brightening skin tone for a radiant complexion as we begin to head into sunnier month. XO Derma E. I think nasa summer na tayo, but ngayon ko lang na-receive to. But anyway, I'm thankful I received it. Baka na-delay lang. So, sorry, Derma E, if you've been waiting for this unboxing. I just received it. It says in the card, mids of spring, but maybe beginning of summer. Yan. So, thank you, Derma E. I hope you guys like it. Check them out, you guys. They are available at ulta.com and Ulta Store. And, saan pa ba sila available? Whole Foods. Basta, I'll put it in the screen. And in the Philippines, if you are from the Philippines and you're watching me, I saw them at, what do you call that place? Where I got the... Basta, I'll put it in the screen. Doon ko kasi nabili yung rice milk ni Janine. Kasi yun lang yung store sa Philippines where they carry rice milk. And doon, nakita ko a lot of Derma E products. I have a blog noon. I don't know if I can insert a clip here. But yeah, there's a bunch of Derma E products. If you are in the Philippines, please try them. Let me know if you like it. Because it's really a good product and brand. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video. And if you do, please kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below so we stay connected. And as always, see you in my next video. Happy summer! Bye!